The 6-step approach, drafting legal documents. Step 1. Get the facts. Obtain and absorb all the relevant facts. The facts must be relevant to the dispute and must assist the judge to resolve the issue. The facts must be capable of being presented in court. Where is the credible evidence? Your client's version of what actually happened must be plausible, must be likely to have happened. Test the version. Is it supported by the undisputed facts? Is it supported by the available evidence? And do you believe it? Step 2. Identify, rank, and test the disputes of fact and law. Having obtained all the facts, you now need to ask what the issues or disputes are that arise from these facts. Identify the disputes, effect, and the disputes of law. Where more than one issue emerges, rank them in order of importance and deal with the most important one first. Key to this is to understand exactly how each issue arose from the facts you have gathered. Test the issues. Is this how client understands the issues as well? There should never be a disconnect between your analysis and what client regards as a problem. Remember, you cannot get this wrong. Step 3. Contextualize the issues. By now you know the facts and you worked out the legal issues. Now find the law. Begin by establishing the area of law applicable. Contextualize the issue. Is it the facts and the issues that will tell you what area of law to consider? Your job is correctly to identify and understand the law. Then you have to explain the law before you can apply the law to the facts of your case. Step 4. Understand the law. You have to understand the applicable legislation and the leading cases pertaining to the legal problem or issue. For every instance of legal reasoning that you engage in, you must be able to cross-reference the law or legal authority. A useful method is to write a short chapter summarizing the rule. Do this in your own words. Do not copy and paste from a law report. In this way, you will be more focused on the law and you will test your understanding of the rule. At this stage, you have written down a list of your material facts and what the applicable law tells you. You will already see your first rough draft taking shape. Step 5. Apply law to facts. The strength of your case will depend on how well you can make out each element of the rule based on the facts of your case. In plain language, take each element of the rule and see if you can satisfy each element based on the material facts of your case. Just a reminder, you cannot identify the appropriate legal rule if you do not have a thorough knowledge of the facts of your case. Legal rules have distinct elements which must be proved for the rule to be applicable to the facts of your case. You must first state the rule in general terms before going on to the specific elements. Step 6. Conclusion. Your conclusion must be supported by the facts of your case and must be supported by a legal rule. The best place to find support for a legal rule is in the most recent decision of the highest court. Actually, you do not need more than this. A lawyer never accepts anything at face value. This includes client instructions and one's own thoughts and decisions. When faced with a problem, carry out a logical analysis and ask, where is this going? To what point? How is this going to benefit my client? Remember to always think it through. The easy answer is not always the best or right answer. Rational consideration requires more willpower than simply giving into intuition. Intuitive people tend to scrutinize less. Not everything that seems plausible is true. Reject the easy answers that intuitively pop into your head. Think about it and apply your cognitive skills.